And a very good Monday afternoon to you. Thanks for stopping by here in the Channel 8 newsroom at 8newsnow.com. Covering kids skipping school today, the truancy diversion program by the courts is really cracking down. We'll tell you how hardly they're cracking down. Also, we're following up on Gary Hosey Jr., the man who was driving the car that crashed into the bus stop last week. Also following up on flood families still dealing with the mess left in their homes and what they're trying to do, stay in the home or move somewhere else. And we're also talking to Lauren Rosella today about short sales that are kind of picking up these days.
Yeah, Dave, right now we're seeing more incentives to buy a short sale. It does put a slight ding on your credit, but it looks like, at least according to local realtors, that you can get move-in incentives, cash incentives, and closing costs taken care of. So lots of stuff.
Great. Thanks, Lauren. We'll look forward to that report. Also, iPhone 5 pre-orders going through the roof. I think they're already run out of their stock, so we're going to cover that story. I have a lot more for you, too, coming up on our news between 4 and 6:30. We'll see you then.